Alright, hello everyone. I am Miss Lindsay, and today we are going to read a book about train. And this is Freight Trains by Donald Cruz. Let's open up. Alright, hold on 1 second. There you go. A train runs across this track. This is the train track. Red caboose at the back. The red caboose, always in the back. Orange tank car next. Yellow hopper car. The red, orange, and yellow. Green cattle car. Blue gondola car. Purple box car. Let's open the page. This is the purple one. Then a black tender and a black steam engine. Freight train. Oh, that's so colorful. Moving. Going through tunnels. Oh, yes, inside the tunnel. Going by cities. You see the cities in the background? Crossing trestles. Moving in darkness. So dark. Moving in daylight. Going, and gone. The end. What do you think? You like the book? It's a short, fun book. Actually, this is one of my favorite books, right? Because it's so colorful, and we can actually learn to count how many cars in a train. Let's see. Where is it? Uh-oh. There you go. See if we can count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Including the caboose and the engine. Thank you, everyone.